In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find career on Walmart account 2026. Start by opening your web browser and going to walmart.com. Give the homepage a moment to load. You'll see lots of promotions and product categories up top, which is great for shopping, but for careers, we're heading somewhere specific. From the homepage, scroll all the way down to the very bottom of the page. The footer is where Walmart keeps many helpful company links, and that's where you'll find the path to jobs. Look for the careers link in this footer area. It may be grouped with other corporate information, so scan carefully. When you see careers, click it. You'll be taken to the official Walmart careers site. Here, focus on the top navigation menu. Among the main options, find career areas. This section is your starting point for exploring roles by the type of work you want to do. Click Career Areas to open the full list. On the Career Areas page, you'll see categories designed to match different interests and skill sets. Stores and Clubs highlights frontline and customer-facing roles in Walmart stores and Sam's Club locations. Supply Chain and Transportation covers distribution centers, fulfillment operations, and driving roles that keep products moving. Healthcare features opportunities like pharmacy, optometry, and clinical services. Technology includes software, data, cybersecurity, and other tech-driven roles that power Walmart's digital and operational systems. Corporate offers business functions such as finance, HR, merchandising, marketing, and more. And students points to internships, early career programs, and pathways designed for those starting out. Once you've found a career area that matches your interests, click it. For example, choose cashier and front-end services if you want a role that focuses on checkout, customer service, and the front of the store. This opens a focused page for that path. From there, you can see all the open roles associated with that career area. You'll typically find tools to refine what you see, like location and schedule filters, so you can focus on roles near you or with hours that fit your life. Skim the list to find a position that aligns with your experience and preferences. When a specific job catches your eye, click the job vacancy to open its dedicated page. Here you can see all the details, including responsibilities, basic qualifications, preferred experience, location, and scheduling information. Take a moment to read through carefully so you understand the day-to-day expectations. If pay range, benefits, or shift details are listed, review those as well to make sure it's a good match. When you're done, use your browser's back button or the site navigation to return to the listings and keep exploring until you find the right fit.